Global media, broadcast media, dignitaries, investors, VIPs, future astronauts, influencers, students were transported to Spaceport America for front row seats to the best show on and off Earth. History was about to be made. Virgin Galactic's Unity 22 would be launching its first flight into space with a full crew in the cabin, including the company's founder, Sir Richard Branson. So, we needed to create both a virtual and live event worthy of this milestone, something truly epic that would mark the dawn of a new space age and inspire a generation. The project teams embraced the challenge, designing a once-in-a-lifetime experience for guests, attending media, and a global live-stream audience. First, the project was highly confidential. Second, the venue was located in a super remote, unpopulated area. We rocketed into high gear, constructing a 1,400 square meter, fully enclosed, air-conditioned tent that kept everyone comfortable amidst the intense desert heat. Then we installed an enormous Mars Scientific telescopic tracking system, which would capture spectacular footage from over 24 kilometers away as Spaceship Unity ascended towards the stars. As the sun rose on Spaceport America, local school children lined a hero's walk for the Unity 22 crew. Then, all eyes turned skyward as Spaceship Unity took off.
3, 2, 1, release. Fire.
Enormous LED screens allowed guests to track the spaceship as it reached speeds of Mach 3 and an altitude of 53.5 miles before gliding back to Earth. The atmosphere at Spaceport America was utterly electric, reaching stratospheric levels as El Paso's very own Khalid took the stage to debut his single, New Normal. After a flawless landing, the crew were congratulated by family, then awarded wings by NASA astronaut Chris Hadfield, a symbol of their new status, marking each of them in the history books.